Charlie's. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. Appreciate you. Today I have a wig that you can get online, but I scooped her up from the beauty supply store, and this is A Wig's Arianna. This is an older unit. I have her in the color P430. She is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. It's been a minute since I reviewed an A Wig, but I really like them. I got it from the beauty supply store, so I'll put down below some places that you can get it in a price. This is Miss Arianna. I really love the color. This is a full cap wig. She is a banged wig. I know a lot of you like bangs, so I wanted to pull her out. Actually forgot I had her, honestly. There's no combs in the front, no combs in the back, but she does have adjustable straps. Very, very nice yaki texture. This beautiful one is Motown Tresses Kim. I absolutely love this. This is one of my favorites. So let me get Arianna on and let's see what we're working with. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm feeling a little Charlie's Angels. Yeah, this is a right-sided part. I obviously had her on before because I have a little bit of powder in the part. She's not bad at all. Let me see what I can do with her, and then I'll be back. I actually like this wig. She came together real nice. I like these little number 27, or is it 30? P430, number 30 pieces, just a little highlight tucked behind the ear. She's such a nice yaki texture that like you could just spray her just like that. I sprayed her over and she's gonna stay right there. This is one of the ones where I was like, nah, I'm not gonna like this, but I actually do. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, this is such a pretty texture, pretty length. This would be a wonderful work wig, a wonderful everyday wig, interview type wig. Yeah, I like this. Does anybody have this wig? Do you have it in another color? Do you like her? So far, I like this wig a lot. I think it looks really, really pretty. I love the texture. I think it's not going to tangle. I might actually even keep her too. I didn't think I would, based on this usually isn't my style, but I think I really just love these like thick yaki textures. So far so good. I like this wig. That was a quick and easy one. If you have another It's a Wig that you want me to review, please put that down below. If there's any other wigs you'd like me to review, please also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.